Do you teach children and young people aged 4 to 18 years old? Do you think it's important for your students to understand microbes, how to wash their hands, prevent infections, and use antimicrobials appropriately? Why not use Public Health England's Ebug materials this World Antimicrobial Awareness Week, 18th to the 24th of November 2020? Use Ebug's lesson plans, interactive activities linked to the national curriculum to teach the importance of covering coughs and sneezes with the snot gun sneezing runway activity. This is a big hit with all ages. Demonstrate the importance of soap and water and how to wash your hands properly using UV gel or glitter activities. For older students, use Ebug's balloon activity to visualize antibiotic resistance. Submit your students' song, dance, poem, or poster celebrating the importance of the small actions we can take to protect our antibiotics and be sent Antibiotic Guardian badges. Submit before the 24th of November to be in with a chance of winning a pack of Ebug goodies, including Microbe Mania card games and debate kits to celebrate World Antimicrobial Awareness Week. Visit www.ebug.eu and explore all that Ebug has to offer, including free training for educators, as well as videos and games. And don't forget to follow us on social media to stay up to date with the latest Ebug activities.